I did not know German language, but all I remember until now, Achtung, Achtung. That's what they, oh my God. We could hear German music and dogs, ho, 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 this German shepherds they had. And until now, I hate German shepherds. I cannot see them. So we were sitting there in close to a village, but in the woods, just with nothing, no houses, no nothing. Finally, somebody came, a man who was also from partisans detachment, and he said, I can take you through the front, you know, to meet the Russian, how to pass Germans. The other people did not want to go. They were scared how we will pass, because we were sitting there in the woods and we heard German music. They had they were there, the soldiers, and they were patifon, you know, music and everything. It was right here. So this man said, I will show you. I think I know how to. So my mother, my grandmother and me got up, but the other people did not want to, families. They were scared. But when my mother got up and went, they followed her. So he saved, my mother told me, about 30-something people.